With respect to a rectangular Cartesian coordinate system, three vectors are expressed as a vector is equal to 4i minus j, b vector is minus 3i plus 2j, and c is minus k, where I, j, k are unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. The unit vector r vector along the direction of sum of these vectors is. So first we need to find out the sum of these three vectors, means a vector plus b vector plus c vector. Then we can find out what about their magnitude. So we are going to find out this a vector, which is 4i minus j cap, plus our b vector, which is nothing but minus 3i cap plus 2j cap, and our c vector, which is equal to nothing but minus k cap. So if we are adding all these vectors, we are going to get 4i cap minus 3i cap, which is nothing but I cap, and minus j cap plus 2j cap, which is nothing but plus 2j plus j cap, and minus k cap. So this is the resultant vector. Let's say I'm just writing it as nothing but a vector. But our aim is to find out the unit vector of this a vector. So the unit vector of a vector is a vector divided by its magnitude. So first of all, let's see what is the magnitude of this vector. The magnitude of this vector is under root of its x component square, which is nothing but 1 square, plus y component square, that is 1 square, plus z component square, that is minus 1 square, that is equal to under root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to nothing but root 3. So you can write the value of this a cap is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap divided by root 3. So this will be the unit vector along the direction of sum of these vectors.